Today we're changing the oil on a 2022 Yamaha XT250. This bike has just over 9,500 kilometers on it, and the process is quick and straightforward. We'll drain the oil, replace the filter, refill, and check the level. Start by warming the bike for a few minutes. Warm oil drains faster and carries out more debris. Place a pan under the drain bolt. Use a 12mm socket to remove the bolt and let the oil drain completely. Inspect the washer on the bolt and replace it if it's worn or damaged. The oil filter is behind a small cover on the right side of the engine. Remove the bolts carefully. There's no spring inside on this model. Pull out the old oil filter, note its direction, clean the housing, install the new filter with the rubber seal facing out. Reinstall the cover and tighten the bolts evenly, taking note of the torque specifications. Reinstall the drain bolt and snug it down, firm but don't over tighten. Add new oil through the fill cap on the right hand side. The XT250 takes about 1.4 liters with a filter change. Use a funnel and pour slowly to avoid overfilling. Start the bike and let it idle for about a minute to circulate the oil. Check for leaks around the drain bolt and the filter cover. Shut the engine off, wait a minute, then check the sight glass. The oil level should sit about halfway up the window. Top up if needed. And that's it, a quick and easy oil change on the Yamaha XT250 with 9,500 kilometers on the clock. Thanks for watching, and I hope to earn your subscription. Stay tuned for more real-world maintenance videos and ride projects.